Here you go, guys. We got some sock monkeys here.
I'm not a sock monkey, guys. I'm a spider monkey. I'm a spider monkey.
That's a spider monkey right
I'm
there.
a spider monkey, man.
Yeah, we got some cool sock monkeys here, guys. Check them all out. We even got a basket one. This one's got the heart with the bad shades. This one here is the black one. Look at him, he's cool, in orange. He's like a Halloween type of one. And then this guy here, he is cool. And then I got the...
He got something on his butt, man. What's he got on his butt? Check it out, guys.
Yeah, he got a tail in there.
Oh, he's shaking his caboose.
Caboose.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Caboose monkey.
Yep. And then we got the antler one.